Dearest brothers and sisters, how about a wonderful drink to start your day? And maybe it's going to consist of carrots, beets, and apple. Imagine a carrot, beet, apple drink for your breakfast, for empowerment, for vivacity, for streaming, flowing pulsation. So let's start. And let's begin with a carrot. Okay, we have a beautiful organic carrot. And now, how about a Fuji apple? And last, you guess this is a beautiful, gorgeous, organic beet. Beets are so nutritious, so filled with goodness and vivacity. And now to an ordinary blender, we're going to add some spring water. Now let's add the beets. The apple. And the carrot. Let's see how that. So here we have a magnificent drink, and let's give that a try. If I may say so, it is delicious. So please, brothers and sisters, please think about starting your day with an apple, carrot, beet smoothie blended in spring water. It will empower you. You can say goodbye to colds, flus, and all of that. You will experience the streaming and the vivacity. Let us go forward. We have our task to do. We have to make obesity. We have to make infertility bywords of an ancient time. We will go forward and recreate, rebuild, and regenerate these magnificent United States. Think about edible schoolyards. Think about joining a community garden. Think about reforestation and bringing back the buffalo. My privilege to share. So if you like this and thinking about streaming, flowing, and vivacity, you might want to give us a like and hit the subscribe button down below. Your comments, critiques, and suggestions are gold to us. Let us go forward. Thank you indeed.